Hi, I'm John Sanders from HydroKleen Global, advocate for cleaner, healthier air. Did you know by 2030 there will be over 1 billion split system air conditioners in homes and offices around the world, with over 40 million air conditioning units purchased in 2016 in China alone. Sadly, manufacturers have not created a cost-effective and hygienic way to clean them properly, and they are now becoming a major health problem worldwide, as well as a huge drain on energy resources. There are 3 very good reasons why your split system air conditioners need to be regularly cleaned and sanitised. First, they become dirty and mouldy, creating a potential health hazard, recirculating dirty air in the room they are located in. Dirty air in means dirtier air out. Secondly, a dirty air conditioner will use up to 30% more power than a clean one. The World Energy Council is worried about where the power will come from to run over 1 billion air conditioners in the next 12 years, given the current level of energy available. Thirdly, and one that most people don't realise, is a clean air conditioner will last longer. Just like a car, if you don't service it, it will break down, and that can be costly. Air conditioners are no different. The dirtier they get, the harder they work to keep you cool, and the harder it works, the quicker it will wear out. With all this in mind, it's ironic that there are still no government or manufacturer hygiene standards that ductless air conditioning systems have to meet. That's like a car manufacturer making cars and not having to tell the purchaser that they need to change the oil. Could you imagine that? HydroKleen has created a solution to these problems and now leads the world in cleaning and sanitising ductless air conditioning systems both cost effectively and time efficiently, and in the process establishing a new international benchmark. Established in Australia in 2009 with over 30 franchisees and now in over 22 countries, HydroKleen offers a comprehensive air conditioning, cleaning and sanitising service specialising in split systems, window and ceiling cassette units and even small ducted systems. Our cleaning process is so thorough it's been exclusively approved by the National Asthma Council's Sensitive Choice Program. Our trademark design system effectively tackles and addresses the reason why people should keep their air conditioners clean, providing healthier air, lower power bills and a longer unit life. With the massive demand for ductless air conditioning systems increasing across the globe, we now have the opportunity to build the HydroKleen brand in your location either through a license or a master license model. HydroKleen provides limitless opportunities for entrepreneurial-minded people who see the challenge of creating a successful business in cleaning and sanitising them. Alternatively, if you are already in the air conditioning or cleaning industries, there is an unlimited pipeline of work awaiting you. When you join HydroKleen, you will be given our best practice equipment package and access to all our resource and training information, successfully formulated and used over the last 10 years, so you can recreate and achieve the business and financial success our franchisees and licensees already do.